Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the clip and creating a duplicate node. This preserves the original while you build the effect. Next, you pull overall exposure down 1.5 to 3 stops to mimic low light, making sure to tame highlights and lift shadows a touch so you maintain detail. Once done, switch to lift/gamma/gain and reduce midtones. This creates the darker base you need. Make sure to keep a neutral reference node so you can compare the graded look as you proceed. Now you push color. Raise the green channel in the gain while lowering red and blue a little, because night vision is predominantly green. Then you create a soft bloom by duplicating the node, adding a heavy blur or high pass, and compositing it over with screen or add blend at about 15 to 40%. This simulates the tube glow. Finally, add sensor noise or film grain, leaning toward a monochrome or faint green tone. That noise adds realism and hides banding, so vary size and amount until it reads natural. Finish by balancing detail and focus. Apply a subtle sharpen, around 5 to 15, so edges read through the glow without creating halos. Next, add a dark vignette, pulling edge exposure down between 20 and 60% and feathering broadly to concentrate attention's center frame. Once the look is in place, check scopes for clipping. If you see banding or heavy posterization, reduce the added noise or slightly lower saturation and the glow intensity. If artifacts persist, render a short test clip and tweak settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.